guys, what's up? It's Eris. So for today, you can see in the title down below that I tried following a blank YouTube tutorial, makeup tutorial, and as you can see, I did a Rei Germar makeup tutorial, and as you can see in the title, this was a total fail, but hope you guys will still like this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So, I'm really sorry just because na hindi ko siya na-edit in a way that I envisioned my editing would. Just because na hindi ko masabay yung video doon sa habang pinapanood ko siya. Kasi sabi ko naman sa inyo guys, hindi ko siya ni-screen record or something. Pero hindi ko talaga siya ma-edit. I thought I can edit it. But this was a really total fail. But I did follow her tutorial. Hindi ko nga lang napakita sa inyo step by step. Tapos yung video nandun na sa gilid, hindi ko napakita. But I'm gonna try my best to redo this tutorial or this video to show it to you guys. Yung sa buong face. And I don't have a primer. Oh, I have one. This is the Noshine Mattyfying from Quick Effects. And I'm not sure kung meron pa to, but I don't have the next angel veil, so I'm gonna put it here. Katulad ko sa niya nilagay. Here. I'm just gonna put it in. And foundation, ginamit ko yung Malani, but I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte plus Poreless Maybelline. I'm in the shade 228 Soft Tan. And I think she used a sponge. But I'm going to use a brush because I don't have any sponge with me right now. Just because I'm not at home. I'm in a workplace. So I didn't bring every single brush and sponge that I have either. So we're just gonna blend it out. Okay, so next is concealer. I don't have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but I do have the Maybelline Fit Me, and dito tayo magkakatalo because I don't do her technique. I don't do a triangle, but I want to try. So, nilagay niya dito. Paano ba? So, right here. Tama ba? No. She started here, actually here. And of course the other. Don't worry guys, I will be doing makeup looks for May. Ewan ko lang guys kasi nakabook na ang May ko. Like I already have the whole month of May planned. Dinamay niya yung mata niya, so dadamay din natin yung mata natin. So, Ate Rei used a LA Girl concealer that is really close to her shade, but I don't have any concealers other than my Fit Me. So, nilagay lang niya sa chin, sa gilid ng bibig, tsaka yung sa gilid ng nose to conceal and not highlight. But unfortunately, pang-highlight na yung concealer ko. So, we'll go with that. So, I just baked using my Nichido final powder. Nag-bake ako sa under the eyes, sa chin, sa gilid ng mata, and sa gilid ng ilong. So, kung saan lang ako na concealer, I baked everything and also the bridge of the nose. So, I brushed off the bake. And then, tinanggal ko yun nasa chin, gilid ng bibig, tsaka yung ilong. Except for the under eyes. Huwag mo tanggalin yung bakes under eyes. So, I tried following Ate Rei, and I outlined my eyebrows first. Then, slowly filling it in after I outlined it. Tapos, huwag kayong magmadali na i-fill in too much. Then, after I filled in, I'm satisfied with how I filled it in. I focused on the tail, then slowly working it into sa harap ng kilay, which is the base. So, and I'm doing strokes na pataas para it looks like hairs. So, I just put on concealer just to clean up the edges of my eyebrows, and you can go back to your pomade just to para mas maayos yung pinaka corner or yung pinaka outline ng eyebrows. So, I use a dried up mascara to tame my eyebrows. You can actually use a dried up mascara to tame it, but I used it para lang may tame yung eyebrow. So, I already took off the bake and I used a palette to bronze my face. Yung ginawa ni Ate Rei is inikot-ikot niya po na doon sa pinaka malapit sa tenga or like the base sa malapit sa tenga. Tapos, binaba niya yung color cheekbones. Tapos, binuild niya lang intensity. And then, nag-bronze din siya sa So, I just primed my eyes and I used a concealer to prime my eyes. I'm just gonna blend it sa pinaka-eyes ko. To set the concealer, I'm going to use the final powder na ginamit ko pang bake and just gonna set the whole eyes. Yung kulay na pinakita ko sa inyo, I used that as a transition shade and I focused the color mostly on dun sa outer part ng eyes ko. Just like how Ate Rei did, and of course, blending it in and just building the intensity. So this is the second color that I am going to use. Tapos nilagay ko ulit siya sa outer edge ng mata ko, just like the transition shade, katulad ng paggagaya ko sa makeup ni Ate Rei. So now I'm going into my e.l.f. MAtte Pallette and I'm going to use this shade. It's a bronze shade, and with a pencil brush I'm going to put it on the outer V of my eyes. So I actually used the wrong shade, but this is the LOL Cosmetics Shimmer Palette, the really white one. Tapos nilagay ko lang siya with a small shader brush all over the lids. It's supposed to be matte, but I used a shimmer. So, yung bronze shade kanina nasa e.l.f. palette, I'm just going to get it in a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna go back to the crease para mag-blend in yung white dun sa pinaka-crease color. So, I'm just going to line my eyes. Nothing special, just lining with my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. Finally managed to put on my false eyelashes, but the problem is my whole eyeshadow is ruined or natakpan na siya. And I don't know why, guys. I have very small eyes, but yung inner corner ng lashes na to, this particular lashes won't stick to my actual eyelids. This is the only time that I have experienced that. I mean, these are the lashes that I used dun sa Western versus Filipino makeup, and I had no problems with that. That came on smoothly, and it looks horrible. So next, ads, YouTube ads. So, nag-blush na siya. I'm going to use yun sa Insta Runway ko. And we are going So, I'm just going to blush and I'm using yung sa Insta Runway kong blush, and I'm just gonna blush the apples of my cheeks. Of course, our favorite time of the day, we are going to highlight to the gods. Of course, we're going to highlight the high parts of our cheeks, our cupid's bow, and our nose bridge. Of course, the last step is lips. I'm going to use a lipstick, and we all know how to do lipsticks, guys. The look that I came up with. I know this is very different from what Ate Rei had. Wait lang. This was a total fail, guys. Sorry, I'm very sorry kung this wasn't the video that you were expecting. It was a really total fail because of the lashes. But I think I did a really great look. It's not what I had imagined na magagawa before I did this video. But hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Be a part of our fam. And hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. For the whole month of May, I will be doing back to school videos and makeup looks. I'm not very sure. Baka sa June ko pa gawin yung mga makeup looks. I'm not sure. But see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys like this video. And don't forget, you are a queen. We are all queens. And baby, queens don't need kings. So, bye guys.